Kubleshibun kini kilong kikam kibalat na benta ka post jong ka lab technician, DEO, junior engineer, pat LDA job. Pat pihak ban aten direct haka walk-in interview. Badru kidi kibaladep ya ka class 12 pass. Pat kumjuru don kipus kibde haka contractual basis. Bat hakane ka video dan artli ki requirement. Teto ngini ya page punya hakane ka video. Ka benengkong kadai haka nigrem bat kikam kiblat kidai haka department jong ka community medicine na benta ka post jong ka lab technician bat DO ane ka data entry operator bat kibadai haka post jong ka contractual basis bat dipenlong ya ka work interview haka 10 Agos ajar arfulai bat ka registration kan sedang nadu ka kedai BJM bat interview kan sedang nadu 10 sedang senang to ngini page yaki post detail banengkong kadai haka lab technician bat ki post kilong tang kawai bat haka qualification lane ka karan pule jong ka kadai ki balapas ya ka class 12 lengba ka diploma haka medical lab technology ane BSc haka MLT ane haka DMLT bat system ka experience na kano ka recognized institution lengba ka experience haka ne ka relevant field bat haka age limit kadai nadu ka katra hadu lai posnem karta bat haka yisiu lane ka cinyo kadai katra hajar shibnai ba kadai haka data entry operator DO bat nombor jong kipus kadai tang shipus bat HBD bat ka karan pule kadai class 12 pass lengba ka diploma hang computer application lane bachelor jong ka computer application BCA bat pidai bendon arsnem ka experience age limit kadai nadu katra hadu arprasnem karta bat kajinyo kalong kat prajar haka shibnai bat kumjuru habai dei bat kati kesilong interview pihak banwanra ya ka biurata jongpi badru ya ki original bat atas kopi jong barok ki educational qualification bat ralang bat artli ki dur passport size jongpi bat kacaka long interview kadai haka seminar room haka department jong ka community medicine main building Nigerim Shillong bat kabar kadai na benta ka West Hill district Jawai bat kikam kiblat kidai na ka department jong ka office jong ka deputy commissioner bat chairman district rural development agency bat pihak ban aten haka walk in interview na benta ka post ha namdong C bat RD block haka contractual basis bat ka interview kadai haka 3 Agos arjar arfulai bat kipus kiblat kidai na benta ka junior engineer bat LDA banengkong na benta ka junior engineer kipus kiblat kadai tangkawai bat ka cinsiu ka bakat prajar sibenai bat na benta ka essential qualification kadai haka diploma haka civil engineer na kano ka recognized university bat pidai bendon ya ka expert hadu arsnem bat na benta ka pus LDA ki pus kiblat kalong tangkawai bat ka jisiu ka bakat prajar sibenai bat ka qualification kadai kibla pendep ya ka class pass bat kumjuru pidai bendon ya ka knowledge haka basic computer haka 3 Agos ajar apply kadai ka silong interview pihak banwanra ya ka standard application form bat ki original certificate bat kopi jong barok ki dokumen badangkap bat kawai kadur passport size bat kajaka ban penlong yak interview kadai haka office chairman jong ka deputy commissioner bat chairman district rural development agency West Hill district Jawai haka por karwe BJM Sejrong te sewa ban share like ban subscribe ya kaneka channel Kubleshibun